Good afternoon. Once again, I'd like to welcome you to Kathy's Creole Kitchen. Today we're going to be making chicken scampi pasta. And I'm going to give you the ingredients first. First, I have 1 pound of chicken breast cut into thin strips. I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 6 cloves of garlic sliced very thin, a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1 cup of dry white wine, 12 ounces of pasta of your choice. I have vermicelli, you can use angel hair, teaspoon of lemon zest, the juice of 1 lemon, a half cup of parsley, and a half cup of Parmesan cheese, Italian Parmesan cheese. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a box your salt and just sprinkle the salt on the chicken. You want to sprinkle it generously and then make sure it's coated with a little salt. Not too much, but not too little either. So I'm just mixing it up. We're going to put a little more. You see I sprinkled it generously on there. We're going to put that to the side. Got that there. And we're going to, I have a large pot of water boiling. I've salted the water. That's for the pasta. And we're going to get the olive oil. And we're going to turn on the heat medium high on the skillet. I have a large skillet. I'm going to put on medium high. And we're going to add the oil because this is what we're going to brown the chicken in. So we're going to do it in a couple of batches, so I'll put half of it in there now and heat it up, and then we're going to do that. So let's get that doing. We're going to heat it so that we can put it in here and cook it. Just want to get the pan coated like that with the oil. I think I like it a little bit higher for right now, so let's just up the temperature a bit. Let me get this. Not warm enough yet. Let's get it warmed up. This is a very tasty dish. It's going to be a great dinner. I have a salad that I have prepared, a vegetable salad. And then I have some garlic bread back here that I'm going to pop in the oven when it's close to being done so that we can have that as part of the dinner. Let's see how this, yeah, it looks like it's heating up now. Let's get this in here. I'm going to cook it about 3 minutes, I guess. Yeah, about 3 minutes. Because you're going to cook it, but not all the way. And you want to do it in 2 batches. Put that there. Put this so I can stir it around. So this is how you do it like that. You're going to be stirring it up. So I'm going to do that, and once I have the chicken, both batches done, like I said, you're going to do it for about 3 minutes per batch, then I'll get right back with you. Okay, so now we're going to turn the fire down low because we've got it reduced. We're going to add the chicken to the skillet. We're going to add the butter. I'm going to add the lemon juice and the lemon zest. Stir it up. It all melted in. It smells delicious. Looking good, smelling good. And I'm going to get the butter all melted down. medium maybe. And now I'm going to add the pasta. Dump the pasta in the skillet because you want to get all those flavors merged in there. Stir it all around in there with it. All mixed up. Probably a little bit better with this. Yes, that'll get it mixed up a little bit better than what I'm doing with that. Looking delicious, smelling delicious. In the meantime, I'm going to pop the garlic bread into the oven. And okay, seems like I've got it all hot and mixed up. All that stuff very hot, so I'm going to add the parsley now. Throw that in there. It's lovely. So it all mixed in there, all the flavors. And I'm actually going to take some out for myself because I'm lactose intolerant. So I'm going to pull some out before I add the Parmesan cheese for myself for later. My family loves the Parmesan cheese. I just cannot have it. So I'm going to set some to the side for myself. Put that right there at the end. Alrighty, now we're going to get the Parmesan cheese. Dump it in there. Mix it all together. It smells wonderful. Looks wonderful. Alright, so it's all mixed in. I'll let you see how it looks. It looks beautiful and yummy like that. I'm going to plate it and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, this is the meal plated. I have a nice little salad on the side. I have some garlic bread and I have the pasta. And I'm going to take a bite of it just to show you guys that it's delicious. And I really wish I could eat it, but I can't have the cheese. But I made it for you guys, made it for my family, and I promise you it's delicious. There's no better flavor than that. I hope you make this meal tonight for your family because it is delicious. Again, it is chicken pasta scampi, and the ingredients are 1 pound of sliced chicken breast, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 8 tablespoons unsalted butter, 6 cloves of garlic sliced, 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, a 1/2 cup dry white wine, 12 ounces of pasta, either angel hair or vermicelli. I use vermicelli. 1 teaspoon lemon zest plus the juice of 1 lemon, a 1/2 cup of parsley, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Thank you so much for joining Kathy's Creole Kitchen. Please subscribe to my YouTube page, Kathy's Creole Kitchen. Leave me comments, suggestions. I'll be happy to respond just as quick as I can. Thank you so much. Y'all have a wonderful weekend.